Guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So guys, on today's tutorial I'll be teaching you this gele. So guys, I really want to appreciate you guys for 1,000 subscribers. So guys, I'm very grateful. God bless you. So before you finish watching this video, please don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, share this video with your friends, your loved ones that would love to tie gele by themselves. So I'll see you guys in my next tutorial. Bye. About the previous SEGO gele that I teach you guys, so today's tutorial will be another SEGO gele style, but another different style. So at first I'll be dividing my gele. With this gele ratio is 50-50. So here is my SEGO gele. So I'll be dividing it into two parts. So I'll place it on my head like this. After placing it on my head like this, I will now go and do this. After that, I will now twist. I'll start twisting the hand. After twisting it, I'll roll it like this. So just look at what I'm doing carefully. After rolling it like that, I'll fold this one down like this. Go back and twist this. After twisting it, I'll now do this. So let me show you the back. So I'll bring it back to the front. So this other hand now, with this other hand now, I will now start twisting. You just continue twisting it and rolling it with the other hand. Continue twisting it till you reach the end. So I'll be using office pin to pin it down here. So guys, can now shift it back a little bit. So guys, that is it. As you can see, it's very easy, very simple. Very easy, very simple. Let me show you the back, guys. And where is the back? And here is the front. So guys, please don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. And I'm very grateful for 1,000 subscribers. God bless you guys. I really appreciate. See you guys in my next tutorial. Bye.